Hi trader, good morning, good evening. This is Mario, Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. First of all, guys, I'd like to thank you for your prompt response to my proposal of working together on advanced trading project. It will start on March 1st, and all of you who wanted to participate will be given an access to all my private videos. So if you want to take part of this project, just let me know in the comments of my other video, how to step into advanced Forex. You'll find it on my channel. But this video is for less advanced traders, and here I will show you 10 simple trading systems or methods you might apply into your trading tool pack and trade it. So let's start the rock and roll. First of all, I owe you one tip. No system will work without proper money management. What does it mean? First thing, it means that you must use stop losses. The second thing, your return ratio should not be less than 2-to-1, what means that your take profit should be at least twice as big as the stop loss value. So that's the rule. And here is the bad news. There is no 100% accurate Forex trading system. You probably knew that, but it's human nature to try, to find a perfect solution. So that's the way we are built up. Even when our common sense tells us that it doesn't exist. But the good news is that there is a short list of simple methods when you begin to trade the Forex that will help you to decrease your losses and increase your profits when applied with proper money management. So let's go to the first one. Okay, so the first method which I want to show you is a trend line break. Simply we draw a trend line like this one. We got a trend line, and as we see on what is this? This is Euro USD recently. We got a trend line, and it goes like that. It's perfect trend line. As soon as it gets broken, you just get into the trade. You put the stop loss below the last bottom, so here we got the signal. So you're getting here. The stop loss is here. Is whatever it is 80 to 85 pips. And here take profit should be at least 170 pips. So it should be somewhere here, which is roughly probably 50% of this all download trend, so it's somewhere here. So that's the first method. Very simple, very efficient. Obviously, need some filters to apply, but let's go to the second one. The second one is the channel breakout. We got the channel like here, so we can draw a channel line. That's how it works, or this way. And this is the channel. And what we've got here in this channel, when it gets broken, we get in. We get in. Again, the stop loss we put on the very top here, 57 pips, and take profit at least 100, so somewhere here. Another channel you can do. This one is the same story. This channel is slightly wedging as far as you see. Oh, look, it's making a wedge pattern. So is getting narrower, but as soon as it got broken, you just get into the trade. So again, here you get into the trade. This is your stop loss, is 48 pips. Take profit at least 96, which is somewhere here. Here we go. This at least. You can do 3-to-1, whatever. As soon as the price rises in this case and starts moving up, after it's moving a little bit, just move your stop loss to the break even just to not lose all the profit in the case the market returns. So that's the second one. The third one, my preferred one, Ichimoku. Look at Ichimoku. That's Ichimoku. You go to over here, you got Ichimoku from indicators here, and you just apply it into the chart. As soon as the price breaks into above the cloud, you buy. When the price crosses and closes below the cloud, you sell. Not always you will win. Like this one is a loser, or Here it didn't cross. But it crossed here, you see, it's quite a decent profit. Further up, here you got stop loss, it stops you out over here. Here another one, you get into it, this is your profit. So, guys, it needs obviously another filter, another indicator. The next one. You build a rainbow. What is a rainbow? Rainbow is a bunch of indicators, a bunch of moving averages. Here I've got a simple rainbow based on Fibonacci numbers, so it starts from rainbow. It's 14. Period. What is this? Is smooth moving average, smoothed, applied to close. I start with period 14 and going with Fibonacci numbers 14, 21. After that, the next one is 34, 55, and whatsoever up to 233. So as soon as the price breaks below all the moving averages, you sell, like this one. When the price breaks above those moving averages, you buy here, and that's the story. You put the stop loss somewhere here under the moving averages, and that's how it looks like. It's not bad system. It's pretty good, pretty simple. It doesn't need a special tool. You just use it, and I assure you, if made in proper way, you will make money on it. The next one, simple system you can use trading is just using divergences. What is divergence? Divergence occurs when the price behaves opposite to the indicator. As you see, here price makes lower lows, here is low, here is lower low, and indicator makes opposite. Indicator here is higher than here. It's going against the price as I marked here. Here you got higher high made by the price. I marked that with the line. And the indicator shows over here already. This higher high comes from here. It's coming from here. It's a longer one. It's like that. So we got over here, we got divergence. You got high, higher high. It should be high and higher high, but it's not. High is lower high. So it's divergence. And against that, the signal where you should sell probably is opposite with other divergences when you should buy. It is like here, look, this one shows divergence. It is lower low makes here and on the price, and indicator makes higher high. You got another divergence, so you buy here. Next one. Commodity channel index, very simple one, only not with period 14 as its default period, but with the period of, I use 55, very simple, applied. As soon as the indicator crosses above the minus 100 value, so crosses is somewhere here, you just buy it and push stop loss somewhere on the last bottom where it occurred. You buy it here, this area, I show you, you buy here, when the price crosses clearly. This is your stop loss, 170 pips, and take profit, whatever, at least twice, 340. It works, and it still goes further and further and further. And opposite the other way. So as soon as it crosses below, like here, well, you put stop loss somewhere here, and take profit twice as that. Here, it would stop you out here, but the second one, somewhere here, it wouldn't already. So here, you got the signal somewhere here. Here is the stop loss, 64 and 128 at least. We got 228 or even more. If you keep it long enough, it's a really nice working system. Next one, candle formations. Candle formations like shooting stars, like hammers, like engulfing candles, like inside bars are the best one. So you just need to spot them. Like here we got big engulfing candle. It engulfs all this price. The body of this candle engulfs whole body of this candle. And look, it price started. Obviously stop loss is at the above the last top, or in a different story. Here you got engulfing candle here. The stop loss is somewhere here below. It's not working all the time because, as for example here, we've got a lovely inside bar, but it didn't go down. It just started rising again, and uptrend was continuing. But here we got engulfing, very small one, and it works, as you see. So there was candles formation. Next one, I got the one indicator, SolarWind Joy. You can find this indicator on my webpage. You can download from there. You'll find the link below. SolarJoy, very simple. It shows you where to get into the market. You're getting here somewhere, like here, for example. You get here, put stop loss here, and probably 2 to 1. It should work. The market didn't stop yet. It just started rising, and we are on Luni here. So SolarWind Joy is a very nice indicator. Next one, simple channel. I'll show you how I do it. As soon as the price goes above the channel, you buy, and below the channel, you sell. So how we build it up? Just let me show you. I just get rid of those indicators, and very quickly I'll show you how those two moving averages should be placed into the chart. So let me go here and let's find those moving averages. Here we go. Moving average, first one. We put period 5, shift 3, smoothed applied to high. That's the first one. Is applied. We put another one, same one, but applied to low. And that's it. You got, as the price goes above those two averages, closes above, you buy, stop loss put here, take profit here. Opposite here, you sell here, the price crossed below, and stop loss you put here, take profit at least 2 to 1. And the same story is for longer period moving averages, but here you should apply the simple one. Let's change the color here, make it lovely red color, sales color. We put shift 0, period 200, because most of the traders use 200, apply to low, like you got here, boom, and another one we apply to high. And if it works, it works. Here we go. Every time the price crosses, we are on H1 chart, but let's go to D1. Every time the price crosses, you just sell or buy. Like here, this is the first signal. It should be the better one. Here, you buy it, and next day is 90% guaranteed that we will make money. This is the 10% one. It's not guaranteed, but when it's big marabouts like this, I wouldn't get into the market. So, but as you see here, the price crossed, stop loss here, take profit twice as big. And here the same story. Here is a fake, but long candle again, wouldn't go for that. The shorter the candle is, the better. Next day, 9 out of 10 cases, it works, guys. So it's a very good. So there's the 10 simple systems. Obviously now you can combine them. You can add this SolarWind Joy to this one just to confirm you SolarWind Joy. Where have we got here? It just disappeared. Here we go. Yes, that's the histogram. Let's put it over here so you can see how it works, and it would help you somehow to take your trading decisions. So probably it would help. Another one, you can put the trend line and see how it would work. That's the trend line you put over here, and you see that somewhere in here is a loser, but here you get your money back, and so on and so on. That's it, guy. Very simple for beginners, for rookies, but apply the proper money management. You will do it, you will win. Not every time, but on the long term, you will be a winner. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and visit my webpage. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.